Question 23. A student researching a northern forest ecosystem has learned the following information about feeding relationships in the ecosystem. So let's look at what he's learned here in the data table. It says insect larvae feed on white spruces. It's like the insect, the worm, before the insect actually turns into an insect. White spruce is a tree. Shrews and snowshoe hares are prey for lynx, red-tailed hawks, and red foxes. So these two are prey for the predator lynx, red-tailed hawks, and red foxes. So we know these are their predator. Okay. Snowshoe hares eat both willows and white spruces. Oh, look, so these hares are rabbits, by the way, if you didn't know that. It's a type of rabbit. Eat both willows and spruce trees. Shrews eat the insect larva. This is interesting because they eat that. And they eat that, and they eat that. So that's interesting. Red foxes sometimes eat insect larvae. Oh, they eat that too. Okay, so let's see what kind of question we have here. Which food web best represents the flow of energy in these feeding relationships? Okay, so let's first see where insect larva is. Let's start with this one. We're going to have to keep all this in mind as we go. So insect larvae feed on white spruces. That's correct. I'm going to check that. Shrews and snowshoe hares feed on or prey. Okay, so here's shrews. And here's, let's check one at a time. Shrews are prey for, and this one it only shows the shrew being a prey for a red fox, whereas the snowshoe here it shows red-tailed hawks and red foxes. So I don't know about this one. Let's move on to the next one because it doesn't represent the information accurately. Let's see about this one. Okay, we'll start with our insect larvae feed on white spruces. Yes. Shrews and snowshoe hares are prey for lynx, red-tailed hawks, and red foxes. Okay, shrews are eaten by red-tailed hawks, lynx, and the red fox, yes. And snowshoe hares are prey for lynx, red-tailed hawks, yes, and red foxes. Those check out. Snowshoe hares eat both willows and white spruces. So snowshoe hares should be getting energy from a willow and a white spruce, and they are. Shrews eat insect larvae. Yes, if you follow here, the shrew is getting some energy from the insect larvae. And red foxes sometimes eat insect larvae. So if we look, that one looks like it checks all the boxes that the student observed. So we're going to put this as a probable. Let's look down here. It says red-tail. Okay, let's start. Insect larvae and white spruces. Yes. Shrews and snowshoe hares are prey. Shrew. Ooh, it's showing the shrew eating. Right, the shrew's getting energy from the lynx. That's not right. That's done. Okay, let's look at this last one. Well, here, insect larvae are getting energy from eating lynx and red fox. That's not right. So we did find our correct answer, and it is C. It checks all of those food or feeding relationships or energy relationships.